Good day everyone, I'm Lorik. Today, we will be talking about hand washing.
That's right, Lorik. Hand washing is important because it removes germs and helps prevent sickness. It protects you and others from infection, especially in hospitals. Washing your hands often, like before eating or after using the bathroom, keeps you clean and healthy. It's a simple way to stop the spread of diseases.
Now, let's proceed to how to wash your hands properly.
Washing hands properly can prevent the spread of diseases like cold, flu, diarrhea, and even COVID-19. Here's how you do it right. First, wet your hands with clean water. Apply soap and lather well. Remember the mnemonic I wash for 10 seconds each. I W A S H E and then D. After all that, rinse well and dry with a clean tissue or a towel.
Oh, so that's how you wash your hands properly. Now, it feels fresh and I'm germ-free.
Hand washing isn't just a hygiene, it's a protection for you and the people around you.
That's it. Until the next video. Bye!